Take a ride in the 2024 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, navigation system, LED headlights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.